In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Excalidraw on Obsidian. If you're looking to enhance your note-taking experience, incorporating Excalidraw for diagramming can make your notes even more insightful and visually appealing. So, let's dive in and get this set up. First, you'll need to open your Obsidian application. Once you're inside, take a look over on the left-hand side and you'll find an icon that resembles a cogwheel. This is how you access the settings in Obsidian. Go ahead and click on that to open up the settings menu. This is your central hub for customizing how Obsidian operates for you and where we'll make some changes today. Once you're in the settings, you will want to scroll through the options until you come across the section labeled Community Plugins. Go ahead and click on that. Now, a quick note here. Community plugins are user-generated additions to Obsidian, allowing you to expand its functionality, and Excalidraw is one of those fantastic add-ons. However, before we proceed, we need to make sure that the safe mode is turned off. This setting is useful for protecting your setup from potentially malicious plugins, but to install Excalidraw, we'll need to disable it temporarily. If you see that safe mode is enabled, simply go ahead and switch it off. With safe mode now turned off, you'll notice a button that says Browse. Click on that, and it will open up a plugin search interface. In the search bar, type Excalidraw. As you type, the list will update in real time, narrowing down to the plugins matching your search term. Look for the plugin named Excalidraw by Zolt Vixion. It's a popular choice among Obsidian users and has solid support from the community, making it a trustworthy option. Once you have found Excalidraw in the list, you'll see an option to install it. Click on Install and give it a few moments as Obsidian downloads and installs the plugin for you. It's worth mentioning that having a stable internet connection can help speed up this process. After the installation is complete, you'll see a new button appear that says Enable. Simply click on that to activate the Excalidraw plugin. Activating it ensures that the functionality provided by Excalidraw integrates seamlessly into your Obsidian workspace, allowing you to start creating visual content directly in your notes. And there you have it. Excalidraw is now installed and ready for you to start using within Obsidian. I hope this guide was helpful and that you enjoy the enhanced capabilities it brings to your note-taking experience. Thanks for watching, and happy diagramming!